kilay daw niya ating ito.
Imo-mute.
Fresh from the bangka.
Thank you po. Ay, super OA. Cute. I'm so excited to go try pasta. Hindi ko mawalan. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you know me, you know me. Charot. So this is my flight going to Vancouver to Canada again, and you will watch some of like my ganaps before ako bumalik ng Canada. And yeah, I actually don't know what to feel because mixed siya na masaya, malungkot, but yeah, I'm so happy with my friends creating or like gumawa sila ng mga eksena before ako bumalik here, and sobrang appreciate ko yun. And also my friends na hinatid ako going here sa NAIA Terminal 1. And just an observation lang, because right now in Canada naging strict sila with all, not hindi lang tourists and visitors, but also yung actually lahat ng type of visa, I think. And medyo mabagal lang kanina yung immigration, nung pila sa immigration, kasi isa lang yung officer. And ang daming, actually for second interview, ang daming natanong kasi naririnig mo eh. Tapos nung ako naman, sobrang smooth lang. Ayun, kasi it's my third time. And they ask again my work. And then I told them my work is remote. I can travel anywhere. Sinanong lang nila ako kung sino bibisitahin ko there. And then, that's it. Samantalang nung last, yung dalawang nauna sa akin, nananapan ng COE, nananapan ng ID, nananapan ng merit certificate and such. Sobrang haba ng pila, and kawawa yung mga PWD kasi dun din sila nakapila. Parang per person, parang 20-30 minutes yung ganap nila. So yeah, I'll see you in Taipei first muna, and then yeah, I'll be vlogging my life in Canada and hopefully in the US as well. Period.
Sa kilay daw niya ating ito.
Imo-mute ko kasi may music eh. So we're here at Sky Cabin here at Rizal. Yan, magkano tayo? Mag-tutor quickly. So this is our pool. And then we have here yung parang tulugan. And then sa baba may kitchen. Let's go. For the vlog ako, say hi! Diba? Di mo kaya, nag-upgrade. Ito yung kitchen. Akit tayo. Ganun!
Shit! Life in Manila. Ito yung stairs. Correct. Ay, clubhouse siya. So, meron kaming kliyente na ganito. Parang clubhouse-ish. So, this is yung itsura sa taas. And say hi! Hi! Ay, ang bango. And there. Sige. Ito yung room. Ay, in fair ah. Nalinis nila. So, ito yung first bed. And then, actually ito, pwede nga gawing bed. There. Restroom looks okay. Let's open the lights. Yun lang. Wala lang siyang salamin, but it's okay. That's me. Maano lang taas. Ay, parang dito tayo lahat sa taas. Okay lang ba? Sa likod ata ng pinto. Ang cute. Tayo sa taas. Open na natin yung aircon. Okay lang ba? There.
Welcome to my cabin. Sky cabin. Hi guys! So welcome to our day 1 here in Sky Cabin. So far, so good. We're so fucking itchy. Hi! I-blur mo yun. I-beep mo yun. Beep!
Beepity-fee.
I-take fingers. Ito.
Sinisirat ko ba si Smart?
Gusto mo water?
Sorry, you don't need to make it.
Okay lang lang sipon mo talaga. Water ka?
Dapat masakit ang...
Normal water.
Ate, ganito po muna. Mamaya na tayo pumakit. Dito ako ba matutulog? Dito no? Ayun sa taas.
Mount Fuji. Charat. Di ba kayo yung Mount Fuji? Ayan. So, bababa lang akong babae. I'll get water. Ay. Daanan ko muna yung mga sis ko sa taas. Yes. Yung mga borders ko. Hello. Wala ko water. So this is how it looks like. Mount Fuji. Come on. Charot. Ito yung pool.
Ina-copyright na lang sa YouTube. Ayan. So, babagal lang yung pag-angat ng camera, pero at least. So, pababa tayo. Period. Binuksan niya na agad yung jacuzzi. Morning po. Wah, si vlog. Kuha lang pong tubig.
So we're eating at Kuya Jay's. Cute. Let's wait for the food. Kare-kare. Maya-maya na. Kulang na lang ay tuna. May bagoong yung ano pa. Ayun.
Ano mo ganun na David Case? Tita ko.
Ayan. So guys, we're currently going to walaan yun. Ang cute nitong details na to. It's giving Mexican. Can you see it? Ang cute. It's giving Mexican details. Oh, Zerizal. So ayan, complete na yung order. So I got the Thai bagoong pork with mango on top. Cute. I'm so excited to try it. We have pasta. Hindi ko mawalan ng boses. And then truffle fries again. Calamansi juice. With my sister from Korea. North Korea. Charot. Sino pang doktor nyo? Doc Yapi. Doc Yapi, please, nananawagan ako. Sponsor my friend. Charot. Ang mahal po, 355. Grabe naman po, hello! Ay, grabe yung Bon Voyage!
Fresh from the butt pa.
Thank you po! Ay, super OA! Oh, grabe naman ang mga friendship. It's raining in Taiwan. Cute pa naman ang shoes ko today.